What is up, YouTube? Happy Friday! It's the Friday of Labor Day weekend. Not that that means anything to me since I work retail, but I do have the weekend off, so I'm pretty hype. And I just made dinner and it looks really good, so I wanted to show you guys what I whipped up. Okay, so I made a little fish sandwich with the same tilapia that I used in my last vlog. It's like okay, but I felt like on a sandwich it would be a lot better and just like more satisfying, I guess. And so I added to that just some lettuce and a black garlic mayonnaise. I don't know what that means, but it was on sale at Whole Foods, so hopefully it's good. And then I made mashed potatoes for like only the second time ever, but they turned out so good. I just mashed up a few baby Yukon Golds and then seasoned it with, well, I made it creamy with almond milk and vegan butter, and then seasoned it with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and parsley. So yeah, it looks delicious and it's pretty healthy. Woohoo. Yo, this sandwich is so good. 10 out of 10 recommend this recipe. What's up, guys? So it is Saturday and I'm about to head downtown because I'm actually going to apply for a second job. I don't know how I feel about it. I really didn't want to have to get a second job, and like I don't really have to, but for the sake of just like being a little bit more comfortable and honestly for the opportunity to meet new people and stuff like that, I'm gonna apply at one of like my favorite vintage stores, because I also think like if I'm gonna work somewhere, you know, and I don't have to, I obviously want it to be somewhere that I like really want to work and like want to spend time, somewhere where I feel like I could potentially meet people and be around vintage clothes all day. That doesn't sound that bad. So yeah, I'm just gonna go see. I called and they did say they were hiring, and I felt like if I just went in and did an application in person, I'd get like a little bit of a better chance at maybe an interview. It's just good to show face, and I wanted to go downtown anyways, and I definitely want to shop while I'm in the store. So yeah, that's what I'm up to. I'll keep you guys updated. We'll see what we get into today. Happy Saturday. Also, my top is by Local Honey. It's literally adorable. It's from my latest collection and I'm wearing it with this necklace, these sunglasses which don't really match but I vibe with it, and some white like wide leg pants. I was wearing them the other day to work too. So yeah, see ya. Hey guys, so I'm currently on Broadway Street, which is like a really poppin' street in Denver. It's full of vintage stores and cool bars and stuff. And this is where Buffalo Exchange is, but it's like a beautiful day. I'm in a beautiful mood, and I just wanted to update you guys. I am somewhere other than my house. Hello again. So I'm still downtown on Broadway, and I just went to a bunch of vintage stores. I also got ice cream. It's vanilla orange blossom flavored, and it's literally delicious. It's also vegan. And then I'm about to go to Buffalo Exchange. Hey, so I just got back from being downtown. I've had the best day ever. I love when I just have little days alone and they make me feel so good and so inspired, and yeah, it's just been really good. So I'm really excited to show you guys what I just bought thrifting. I feel like the pieces I picked up today really represent where I want my style to go and like the direction that I feel like I'm taking it, that I just really fuck with and that I feel really confident in. So let's go. This is not the best angle. You guys are like on a pillow as a tripod, but it's okay, it works. I went to Buffalo Exchange, which I also got a job application for. I was really good. I tried on like 100 things, but I only bought a few, and all the things I got are like, I literally have a list going of things that I've been wanting, and like just foundation pieces for this new wardrobe that I want to build, and these were all on that. And so if I can buy them secondhand, I would way rather do that than from any other store. The first thing is these corduroy tan pants. And these are so cool. Like honestly, Brandy Melville vibes, which isn't like exactly what I was going for, but they totally are. Yeah, I have no idea what brand they are. They're definitely like old, you know? Some of the stuff in Buffalo Exchange isn't really vintage. It's just like secondhand from like, you know, Nasty Gal or whatever. But this is definitely true thrifted. They're really dope. They fit me really well and they're super comfortable, and I've been wanting a lot like this just because I have so many tan clothes and I've really been into like monochromatic outfits. Also from Buffalo Exchange, I got this jacket, and this I'm really excited about because I knew that I needed some sort of like black jacket. I have this weird thing against denim jackets. I've talked about it before because it's just like, I want to like them because they're such a staple, and if I had one, I'm sure like it would work with so many outfits, but I don't feel comfortable in them. I don't feel confident in them. I just don't feel like they fit my style. And it's really inconvenient. If you're gonna get a jacket sort of thing that's like versatile, denim jacket is just what it is. I also really don't like leather jackets, so like it's just difficult. But I found this one, which is not denim, but is like structured. It's kind of a utility jacket, and it has gold buttons. It's cropped, but not super cropped by any means. It actually has like a sewn hem, which I really wanted. This is literally exactly what I like didn't even know I was looking for. I wanted something in this like family, but I didn't know what it was. This was it. So I'm like literally so happy about this. Those were the only two things I got from Buffalo Exchange. See what I mean? I was so good. There were a lot more things that I wanted. But then I went to this other thrift store, and I can't remember the name of it. I want to say it was Goldmine Vintage. And it's one of those that was like pretty overpriced, but they had so many good things too, but their stuff was like weird, and it was all like 100% vintage. Like Buffalo Exchange is a mix between like true vintage and, like I said, just secondhand, like newer age fast fashion, because people just bring in their clothes and sell them. But Goldmine Vintage is like true vintage, but it's like more curated, you know what I mean? So it's not just like a Goodwill. So that's why it's a little more expensive. I can understand it, but it's hard for me to justify a lot of the time. So that's why I only got two things from there as well. The first one being this cream colored button down. And I have another one that's kind of similar to this, but it's like silky. And I got this one because I feel like the other one I have is more of a blouse where you wear it like all the way buttoned down, and kind of like, you know, you can dress it down, but mostly it's like a dressier piece. Whereas this is a little bit thicker and has a little more structure. I imagined wearing it like unbuttoned, pretty much as like a jacket, as a layering piece. I think like with turtlenecks underneath this, or like I said, different shades of like tan, cream, and white tops paired underneath this with like those tan pants or white jeans, or, you know, regular mom jeans, like literally anything. But I feel like I'll get a lot of use out of this. So even though it was a little bit expensive, it's fine. It's worth it. And the last thing I got is by far the most exciting. I could literally scream. So I buy belts thrifting a lot because I love belts, and I feel like you can't really have enough of them. So while I was peeping, I like saw this one and it caught my eye because, as you can see, this is like my color palette to a T. Gold buckle, which is an essential. And I don't know, I just thought it was like funky, but not like too funky. It's an off-white and patent leather black. Lo and behold, it is Yves Saint Laurent. It is literally a YSL belt, and it was $30. There are tears in my eyes right now. I'm literally not even kidding you. I don't own anything high-end designer besides like maybe, I guess you could say, the Armani blazer that I got from Goodwill is like kind of. But that's no YSL, okay? I'm just so happy. This is the best thing ever. I love it, and it goes with everything I bought today. It goes with like most things in my closet. It's perfect. I also went to this really cute ice cream place and got this vegan vanilla orange blossom ice cream. It was really good. A homeless man told me I was really beautiful. That was kind of nice. I've just had a great day. I think I'm gonna go lay in my backyard and just vibe for a bit. It's super nice out, so I wanna take advantage of the day without spending any more money. And then I think I'm gonna grill up some dinner. But anyways, I hope you guys are having as good of a day as I am, and I'll talk to you soon. I'm just sitting outside watching YouTube videos, enjoying the day. It's literally so beautiful outside. I'm thankful. Just popping in to show you guys my dinner per usual. It looks really delicious. I'm really excited for it, and I'm actually going on a little date after this, so tea. I'll tell you guys how it goes after. But yeah, here's my dinner. So I made a veggie burger. It's the Beyond Burger, so it's literally like the best one ever. I'm using that black garlic mayo again. I have a thin layer of avocado on the bottom, and then some lettuce, and I'm just eating it on like this toast. I know it's kind of ratchet, but it's all I have. So yes, oh my god, it looks so good. I'm excited. Good morning and happy Sunday. Sorry that I look like this. I just finished working out. I wanted to update you guys. I said last night that I was going on a date and I was like kind of nervous. So I did, and it was really fun. We met at this like low-key bar and got a couple drinks and then ended up spontaneously making our way downtown. It was so fun. I love to dance. Nothing makes me happier than like a crazy night full of dancing, and that's exactly what I got to do. We were at this really cool bar, and it had a rooftop, so I just got to dance my little butt off and it made me so happy. So yeah, I'm feeling really good today. Like I said, I just worked out. I went to Starbucks earlier, and yo, they came out with this new like pumpkin cream nitro cold brew. And I don't usually like their like pumpkin drinks or even their seasonal ones in general anymore because they're just so sugary and like they just make me feel disgusting. But for some reason I decided to try this pumpkin whatever, like I just said, the cold brew. It is so good, you guys. Like, it's subtle, but it's tastes like fall. Oh my god, I don't think it's that bad for you. Like, I wouldn't drink it every day, but it's not like a frappuccino or something. I don't know, it was so good. So I got one of those this morning. I'm about to make breakfast. I'm just like doing some laundry, you know, boring things. But yeah, I'm having a really nice weekend. Catch ya later. Hi everyone. Today I'm super excited because I'm gonna be filming a room tour. If you know me well, you know I care way too much about what my room looks like, and I always have, even since like my little high school bedroom in Minnesota. It's just very important to me that my environment is inviting and cozy, but aesthetically pleasing, on trend, all of the above. I love a good, cute and cozy bedroom, so that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. I especially really like this one. I feel like it represents my personality really well, but it's still like pretty grown up and put together, so yeah, I really hope you enjoy. So I'll start by just giving you an overview of the whole thing. You can kind of get a feel for the vibe. Yeah, so there's that, and now I'll go kind of more in depth with things. So when you first walk in, my bathroom's right across the hallway there. And then my desk, or my dresser, is the first thing that you see, which this came with my room. Thankfully, I did not have to buy it. But on top of it, I just have it decked out with a few cute little things. Plant over there, some sunglasses, candle, record player with some records. My record player is from Amazon. Bumping a Black Bear album in there now, no shock. And then my tarnishing gold jewelry. Flex on them, you know what I mean? And then up here I have two little prints, and they didn't fit correctly in any frame. So I decided to just like put them on top of the like stock paper that comes in the frames. And honestly, I think it looks pretty cool. It's kind of like makes the two cohesive. And I think it's cute because that one's a photo of records and that one says pump up the jams. If it's too loud, you're too old. And it's above my record player. So like, how cute, you feel me? And then I've got two little plants up there on top of this chair, which also came with the room. And I dressed it in that adorable little crocheted blanket and red pillow to tie in the red from the rug. A couple more plants. These ones just hanging up here. All four of these fake plants plus the two square things that these ones are in are all from Target, just so you know. Over here is my favorite little section of the room. That ladder shelf is from Marshall's, and the prints came in a set from Teza, who is actually also a YouTuber. I'm not really familiar with her channel, but I've known about these collage kits for a while because they're obviously super cool, and I know a lot of people on the internet have them. But on the little shelf, I just decorated it with some plants and a mirror and candle. I love that that one's zebra print. I think that's so cute. especially because I have the one with the cheetah over here. Like, yes, how adorable. Yeah, my little trash can, some books. I have jewelry hanging off the side, like that's my gold chain belt, and then I have a necklace there and another one hanging off that side, just for some storage and because I think it looks kind of cute. And then I actually keep my makeup and brushes down there because I do my makeup there like every morning, so a lot of times they end up just staying out down there. But for the sake of this video, I put them away, and that is my big mirror in the corner. I've always wanted a huge mirror, and now I have one, and I love it. This dress is local, honey, and it's absolutely adorable. Go buy it. And then I'm thankful to have a nice big window. The bed came with my room as well. I just have a little white like textured quilt on it for now. I'll probably change that before winter, but it's been nice for this season. The 2 gold pillows and the cheetah print pillow are all from Marshalls. And then so is this throw blanket, which I think is adorable because the little tassels like tie in with the tassels from the rug, and the pattern's just really cute. I love mixing white and creams. Very nice aesthetic there. And then in the corner, I have a matching rug to the one that's over there. But on top of it, I have that little gold table, which I got from Home Goods a long time ago, and a fake plant on top of that, which I got from Goodwill. Over here, another little gold table that kind of matches. It's also from Home Goods like forever ago. And I also, by the way, always keep my computer plugged in right there, so that's the explanation behind that. But I keep crystals right here on this table because my friends are hippies and they love to give me those for presents, and I appreciate it. So I have some fake flowers, this adorable little tray that was already in the house when I moved in, and an old perfume bottle on top just for decoration. Here's the me again. And then I put some cute pink prints over here. I especially like that one that says, "Babe, you are so money and you don't even know it." I think those are just really cute and girly. Very much my aesthetic. My Jordans always live down there. I don't really know why. And then my closet is here, and like half of my clothes are in boxes downstairs because I'm used to having a walk-in, but it's straight. So yeah, that's pretty much my room. I hope you guys enjoyed, maybe got some inspo. I really love it. I really love interior decoration in general. So if you need somebody to come fix up your house, holla at your girl. Bye. So I just made dinner and I thought I would show you what it is. On the side, I have a peach cut up and some kiwi. As you guys know, I'm obsessed with both of these. And then I made a little salad. I have this romaine lettuce, which isn't usually my first choice, but I was craving it, so I decided to go for the less nutritious option. Still could be much worse. Added some shredded carrots in there as well. You can't really tell, but I did. And then I cooked a single fake chicken strip and cut that up and added it in here just because I wanted like a little bit more substance and protein. A couple croutons, some fresh herbs, you know how it is. So yeah, it's a very healthy meal, but it looks really good. I completely forgot to tell you guys that I added sunflower seeds to this salad as well, and that the dressing is like a light Italian dressing. So yeah. Alright, so I think I'm gonna end off this vlog here. It was a random mix between a vintage haul, a room tour, a weekend in my life, but yeah, I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're liking these videos in general. Let me know by liking or commenting or subscribing or whatever. I don't really care, but I do appreciate it. So yeah, anyways, see you soon.